frankly, from my perspective, the event is behind us. We make a lot about an event. The finance minister has clearly said that it's not only in the budget, but in the next 3, 4, 5 years, they will keep on taking steps which is needed for the kick-starting the economy and taking it to its rightful place to double-digit growth in the new series. So I think, we are very positive on the economy and the markets. I think the budget was an important document. It is behind us. Now let us focus on what the positives can be, and very clearly both the macroeconomic and the government support is there for the economy. And as long as returns are made, we are not bothered about investors. Investors are smart enough to find their way into assets which will give them good returns. See, very clearly, I think the good thing about India is that we are very diversified, so we are not dependent on commodities and so on and so forth. You are right that last 4, 5 years, because the capex cycle was not as robust, the interest shifted to more consumption or export-oriented sectors like pharma or IT or even the consumer staples and discretionaries. Having said that, you are right that there will definitely be now opportunities also on the capex side or on the the economy building sectors. And to that extent, yes, we will have many more choices. But to some extent, Nikunj, last 8, 9 months, it was already being built in. We already were cognizant of the fact that the push is going to be in, building the economy and building the infrastructure. And to some extent, the prices of some of these stocks are already discounting that. So I think let us see how this spending pans out. I agree with Prashant's earlier statement of this National Investment Fund and how it can cause a multiplier effect, and also the fact that tax-free bonds are good because that money ultimately would wean away from other non-productive assets like real estate and gold into productive assets which could be used to build the economy. So I think overall you are right that there would be definitely interest in the capital goods, but you have to be cognizant of the valuations.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.